You've probably already seen these trending miniature room transformation videos like this, but no one really tells you how these videos are actually made. So today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create these miniature room transformation videos completely for free and use them for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to start building an audience and potentially earn from your content. First, go to the video description. You'll find a 5-page master prompt there. Make sure you copy the entire prompt without skipping a single line. Now open ChatGPT. I'll paste the master prompt from the description into ChatGPT and click generate. This prompt will automatically give me 20 different miniature room ideas, like a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, gaming room, luxury living room, and more. Now I'll simply choose the room I want to create. Once I select a room, ChatGPT will automatically generate 2 prompts for me. The first is an image prompt, which we'll use to create the empty starting scene of our miniature room. And the second is a video prompt, which will turn that same room into a fully furnished miniature room using a large, realistic human hand that places each object one by one. Now copy the image prompt and paste it into your favorite free AI image generator to generate the image. I'm using Google Flow here because you can do this for free. Once the image is generated, upload it to your AI video generator and switch to video mode. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Come back to Flow, paste the video prompt, and check your aspect ratio, duration, and model settings. Once everything looks good, click Generate. The AI will gradually transform the empty miniature room, first adding the furniture, then the appliances, followed by smaller objects, and finally all the tiny decorations. And the most satisfying part is that every object is individually placed by a large, realistic human hand. And just like that, you have a complete miniature room transformation video ready. And honestly, the result looks really good. Now let's try creating one more room. This time, I'll select the 20th room idea from the list. I'll speed this part up a little so the video doesn't get unnecessarily long. And boom, our second miniature room transformation video is ready to upload. You can repeat the same process with different rooms and create an entire series of miniature transformation videos for your social media pages. And if you want to create videos like these yourself, I've added the exact master prompt in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI video tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.